Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the PETSMART app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with the in-depth review about PETSMART app. So to get started, the PETSMART app is a convenient tool for pet owners who shop or book service frequently. You can use it to order food and supplies, schedule grooming or training section, and manage treat reward points all in one place. Features like curbside pickup, auto ship for repeat order, and store locators make pet care much easier, and many users appreciate having a shopping and loyalty benefit combined in a single app. On the downside, the app has been reported to have glitches, including a checkout error, login issues, and occasional crashes, so which can be frustrating if you rely on it for time-sensitive orders or bookings. So some users also note delays when scheduling services, and here's a overall intake about the platform. So it's worth it if you want or you are a regular PETSMART customers who want a convenient on the go, but be prepared to use the website or call support when the app acts up. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.